We're going to go through the field strip and reassembly of the Beretta Model 70S in 380. As you can see, there's no round chambered. There is no magazine present. Release the slide lock. Let the slide come forward. This is your takedown lever. When this lever point starts to line up with that indent, you will apply forward pressure to the takedown lever. The positioning and the manipulation needed dictates that this is going to be a two-handed operation. So what I usually do is grip it here, push back, push this forward, and your slide is unlocked. There is a spring-loaded retention setup right in here. You'll be able to see that a little better once I get the slide off. What that does require, and what it happens, is it creates quite a bit of friction for the slide to move fully off the frame. So you got to give it a nice grip and a nice firm tug, and that should remove the slide from the frame. This is the spring-loaded little retention thing that I was talking about, which creates the friction on the slide. So if you're taking it down for the first time, you get to that step and you're wondering, what the heck's going on, just know that you need to give it a little bit more forward pressure. Okay? From here, it becomes pretty straightforward. Push the recoil spring forward, releases it, pops right out. The barrel comes out through the top, slide forward, and remove. Now, before reassembly, what you're going to want to do is make sure that you take a look at this. This is the little groove cut out in the barrel lug. The recoil spring sits directly in that, not up against the higher part, which I think instinct drives a lot of us to put it right there. Okay, so just you want to make sure that you got that lined up the right way. If not, it's going to bind up your slide, and nobody wants that. All right, reassembly. Take the barrel, you slide forward, drops in, push back. Recoil spring goes in. It's going to take a little bit of pushing to get it in there. Make sure you got it nice and tight, because that puppy will come flying out of there without warning. Let's get it back onto the frame. Line it up. Give it a nice little push. And when it comes back to this point right here, you're going to hear that little click. That is when you manipulate the takedown lever forward, and you are good to go. Those of you that have a firearm may already know as well that it has a magazine safety. So to fire the firearm, magazine needs to be inserted. And there you go. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. We'll talk soon.